My closet has been very much overwhelming me, and I think it's time for a clean out. And so this is me. Can't open the door all the way because there's bags in here. This is all Stefan's side, and then this is my side. Nothing closes. My closet used to be divided. It used to be color coordinated and item sorted. Stefan's terrible folding is bugging me. But look at this t-shirt that he got for Christmas. There's lots of things in here that I haven't worn in a long time, and I brought it, like for example, I know this one. I've had this for so many years. I've brought it with me to New York. I'm just gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna get rid of it, and I'm not gonna even miss it. If you guys are looking for the velvet flocked hangers, they sell them like a box of 50 at Costco for really, really cheap. I've checked online on Amazon, on eBay, and Costco has it the cheapest. We haven't done a closet sale. Me and a couple of girls would do a closet sale like once a year, but back then it was, we were doing it with Lord DIY, and of course she was the one who brought in like the hordes of people. And I really don't know if I could hold the closet sale and sell the same amount that I did before. But I really want to do another closet sale. This is the tube top that I made with my mama. Definitely keeping this. This cape backless tank top. I bought this so long ago, wore it once. I still love it. I just never wear it. Man, I said that I was good at purging, but now it doesn't seem like I'm very good at it. Okay, I'm going to purge. This is 100% silk. I thrifted this a long time ago. I feel like I can make something with this. I think I'm gonna watch one of April's videos. You guys know Kulerpa? She makes these amazing DIY transformation videos. Maybe I'll get some inspiration from her. I bought this Alexander Wang at a warehouse sale, and it was slightly damaged. You see there's a lot of pulls here. And I bargained and got it for $80. What a steal! Except I never wear it. Just on tops alone, this is how much I've gotten rid of so far. This much. That's a lot. Oh my god. This dress. I only keep this dress because Stefan likes it. But it's time to retire. Ellie! Now to tackle my folded section. Ooh. What's next? This is my nice stuff container. It's never ending. These are the undies. Fun fact, I keep my socks in the front entryway drawer. Because I don't like wearing socks, I wait until the very last minute before I have to leave the house, and then I put on socks, so I have socks out there. I don't even really wear bras anymore, like, fuck it, you know? I feel like I'm almost there, and it doesn't look it on the ground, but I'm almost there. Now to just put away this clean laundry. Ah, shoes. They're so dusty. Alright, this is all the clothes that I'm giving away slash getting rid of. There's a small pile of garbage. There's a sock on the handle. I'll show you guys the finished product once I clear out the whole floor. Welcome to my closet. I am very happy to bring you inside. Come on in! Bags are now located here. I have lightweight knits and tops over here, and then in the back, because you see how much depth there is to this shelf, in the back now I have kind of like my lounge pants and things that I wear around the house and I don't wear out, so I keep that hidden. Over here I have all of my pants that I wear on a regular basis. Here's my denim I wear the most, and then culottes and other pants are back here. Here's leggings back here. My storage area, these are sandals that will be brought out in the summer. I need to get more shoe boxes. And look, there's lots of space here. Here is my jewelry box with more costume jewelry. I keep my everyday earrings in the washroom. Glasses and sunglasses. T-shirts. T-shirts, grays and blacks. White t-shirts. Any camis, tube tops, or anything is folded double here. Shorts, hot pants, yoga wear, bikinis, tights. Look at Stefan's section. So neat and tidy. Those are my cashmeres and my wools, and that's the stuff that can get eaten very quickly. So then I keep them in storage, and then this is my special occasion wear. Like I have my ball gown skirt and some silks up there. Heavyweight knits go up here, and as winter is going away, this is a good place to transition it out of. It's not like lightweight knits where if you grab it the whole pile gets ruined. There's only a couple of pieces, plus there's lots of rooms to stack up. Strapless, strappy, or anything sleeveless will go over here. Starts with whites, then moves on to grays, blacks, and it goes into shirts and long sleeves. Starts again with white, then moves into color. Then I hung up a lot more pants. My pants folded area was getting like really out of control, and also this stuff is better off hung anyways because some of it gets wrinkly. So I hung all of my clothes, all of my dresses, moving on to skirts that go deep into this section. There's skirts that go up to here. That's Stefan's suit. This is my gentle laundry hamper. I have a laundry hamper in the washroom, and then this one is meant for gentle cycle or delicates. And then the back of the closet, I've hung all of my necklaces and belts up here. I used to hang bags up here, but then when I opened here, I magic erased the wall. Every time I opened the door, the bags would rub up against the wall. I cleared the whole closet, moved everything, and I cleaned up the closet in my office. You know when you get onto like a zone and then you just start cleaning everything? This took a lot longer than I expected still, but I'm done. And I'm very happy, and I feel like I can breathe again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to find me on social at Letitia so that we can hang out and be friends. It would be so great if you could subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!